Hello everyone, today we are making hummus. This is the perfect protein packed snack or even a dinner option. So without further ado, let's get cooking. In a blender, add in your chickpeas. I have taken canned chickpeas. They say it doesn't work as good as fresh ones. No, that's a lie. It does work. If you are taking fresh ones, please cook them thoroughly and remove the skin as much as possible. Or you could still keep them, doesn't matter. Add 1 clove of garlic to this. Squeeze about half a lemon juice, and to this you will add 1 teaspoon of tahini or sesame paste. This gives it a good nutty flavor. To this you will add some salt to taste. You could add some olive oil at this point to make it creamy, but you don't necessarily have to, it's just your choice. I will be adding olive oil while plating, so I can sprinkle some sumac on top of it and make it look absolutely beautiful. Plate it just the way you like. Pour the tiniest bit of olive oil. Sprinkle some sumac on the top and pair this with some spicy hot chicken wings or sauteed vegetables or salad or some olives and enjoy. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.